Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be making a string bathing suit. I have two different patterns for the bottoms and one pattern for the top. As usual, they will be linked in the description down below. One of the reasons that I chose a string bathing suit specifically is because they are really versatile and you can use them in many ways. I have also decided that I will start doing shoutouts. In order to get a shoutout, you have to comment on my most recent video, and that will get you a chance to be in the next. For today's shoutout, I have Willows AG. Thank you so much for watching my video and commenting. Make sure to check out her channel. Now, let's get started with today's video.
So I have two different bikini bottom patterns. So for this one right here, you have to cut 4 different pieces, and it looks more like this one. I have made this pattern twice before, and it looks really good, except if you have a pattern fabric like this, you have to like align the pattern to make it look good. I didn't do that good of a job at that. So I made up this other option over here, which it will connect on the sides and right here, and it has this long flap to go underneath her. There is a difference. I made this one a little bigger than this one just so it can curve to the bottom of them a little better. And then we have a triangle bikini top. You want to cut 4 of these, and I'm just using a recycled piece of legging. After cutting out all your pieces, we're going to start with assembling the bikini bottoms, the version 1. And I thought I should add, you want to cut out 2 strips of the jersey of your choice, and you'll want to stretch them to get these. We'll be using those for the bikini top. Before we start, I just want to let you know you'll want to do this project in a stretch stitch. So when you stretch the fabric, this is a stretchy fabric, it will stretch and it won't like burst. First thing that you'll want to do is align the pieces right here, and then you're going to want to sew down that way with the stretch stitch, and you want to do that for all the pieces. After that, you want to attach these pieces right here to each other, good side to good side. After that, you want to fold over the edges where the legs will go and sew over that. After that, we're just going to want to sew the tops of these each together. Make sure they're sewn like equally, so when we align them up, they'll just be perfect together. In the end, your bottoms should be looking something like this. I just thought I'd add, I did make 2 other bottoms like this before without the stretch stitch when I was more of a novice. So if you don't know what a stretch stitch is, or if you feel uncomfortable using it, you can go ahead and use a straight stitch. You can like break the stitch easier. Alright, starting with the second version of the bikini bottoms, we're going to want to sew across this line right here. After sewing this bottom part together, we're going to do what we did for the last time for the leg holes and just sew that. After that, you just want to do the same thing before, line up these and then sew it together. In the end, your bottoms should turn out something like this. Personally, I do prefer the version 2 pattern. It looks cleaner. It does not have the line in the center of it. Now, let's start on the matching bikini top. For the next thing you want to do is you just want to sew across the bottom, and you'll want to do that for both of the pieces. You'll then want to sandwich the strap in between there. After that, you'll want to sew from right here to right here where the top of the strap is. Make sure you leave a little hole so we can feed the baseline thing in later. That you'll want to flip it inside out. You should still have the holes on either side. After that, you want to have both of your pieces, and you want to take a safety pin and run with the other piece of fabric. You want to run it in through here like that. After that, your swimsuit top should turn out something like this. These holes are not finished, so keep that in mind. If you do want to finish them, I would suggest to just do a seam there or something like that. In the end, your outfit should turn out something like this. I think it looks really good. If you want more bathing suit and summer related things like this in the future, make sure to comment down below and let me know.
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, the patterns are linked in the description down below. Along with them, my Instagram is linked. There you can see sneak peeks of videos to come and other projects that I make that are not featured in my YouTube videos. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!